Here are the tools you need for these accessories. Right now, the door is in the same state as when we shipped it to you. Next, the initial step involves taking one handle and carefully installing it into position. Then align the holes. The square spindle hole is on top. After fitting the first one, grab the other handle. Then take the square shaft and feed it through. Once it's through, then proceed to tighten the two prominent Phillips head screws securely. Don't tighten them all the way just yet. Don't over-tighten them. After that, proceed to carefully and thoroughly remove the entire lock cylinder assembly from its housing unit. Slide it in. Once it's pushed in far enough, try to see if you can turn it. You can see it turns here. After you turn it, after one full turn, stop moving the lock. Just open the door. Next, take the lock cylinder screws and carefully screw them securely into place. Don't over-tighten them, just tighten it a bit. Now tighten down the embedded mounting screws. Once that crucial step has been successfully completed and finalized, fit the key into place. Then test the locking function thoroughly and verify the mechanism works properly. Then turn it. This is the correctly installed state. Then close your window and door. Okay, installation done.